Have you ever felt like you are building a plane while it's mid-flight, and then someone just told you that the configuration and the destination needs to change? Now you will experience something similar if you are on a lean customer education team in a high growth SaaS company. You know this feeling. The product updates are coming fast, the UI is shifting daily, and you have got hundreds of hours of legacy content that looks like it belongs to the 2022 version of your product. Let's talk about the silent killer of trust in customer education, the UI drift. When your training videos show a submit button where a continue button now lives, your users stop learning and start submitting support tickets. But here's the reality. You can't fix this with AI yet. You need a strategy. If you try to keep every course feature updated, you will end up with a curriculum that is 100% sort of okay and not actually great. So your priority one should be to protect your crown jewels. Focus on the 5 courses that drive 80% of your traffic. Let the rest be text-based until you have the bandwidth. Now the solution to this problem is the Lego strategy. To survive as a lean team in customer education, you have to first stop building monolithic courses. Think modular, think atomic design. Instead of one 45-minute SCOM package that breaks the moment a developer moves a button, you build your curriculum in plug-and-play chunks. Now, if the dashboard changes, just re-record a 90-second UI spotlight module. If there is a pricing update, swap one module. You stop being a filmmaker and start being an architect. This is how you future-proof your customer education without a 50% headcount of the team. Now, in this case, the secret weapon for you could be your product manager and the sandbox. It isn't your screen recording software. If you want to be proactive, you need a seat at the table before the code is locked. We call it the sandbox advantage. By getting into those alpha and beta environments early, you can have your what's new video ready the second the product goes live. No more coming soon placeholders for your courses. As a result, when you prove that your training reduces the burden on support and increases product adoption, you move from being a cost center to a revenue engine. Some companies have even seen a 51% ARR boost just by scaling this effectively. Scaling doesn't have to be a headache. Whether you need a full curriculum audit or a modular redesign, we have spent 13 years helping Fortune 500s and SaaS startups to do more with less. Stop cleaning after your UI and start driving success with customer education. Reach out to me either via checkinclick.com or through LinkedIn. And let's build together learning that actually scales. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on the future of enterprise learning and customer education. See you in the next one.